Alright guys, welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first time you are coming to this channel, I say very big welcome to you. Subscribe, like and share, Click on the notification button for you to be notified whenever we upload our videos. Are you getting me? So if you're also a returning subscriber, the same thing, copy the link and share. Okay, quick one. If you want to buy your skincare recipe, you want to buy good organic products, as you said, or you want to buy cosmetic, you can always count on us. The number on your screen, just get to reach to us. We supply everywhere. We supply everywhere. We ship worldwide. And again, I want to use today to tell you more about our Irish ladies white, aka yellow CC, Irish lady body white, aka yellow CC, which is trending everywhere now. You can see everybody also doing yellow CC cream, yellow CC that, because they know how powerful the name is, as the name implies, so the cream implies. You can know from my previous videos, you can see how dark our words when not until some of you started to push me, use your product, to see how effective it is. And here am I. You can see it's not me just doing it, but it's just all the power of Irish ladies body white, aka yellow CC. This is the cream that did it. This is the cream that do all the wonders. We have all the face cream also. Then we have a lot of other products as well. We have Blema oil. This is Blema oil. We have other products. We have soaps and other Irish ladies water cooler, Irish ladies Mega 9. If you have a redness, if you have a serious redness, we have Irish water cooler that can cool your redness. It can take off your redness within 2 weeks. It will take off all your redness, undertone, and all that. And then we have also, the Irish ladies make a nice soap. That's a wonderful soap. And also after that, I will be teaching you how to make one of the whitening soap. All these are creams that we're shipping out to the US on Monday. People love this cream very well. So that is it. In a quick one, let's quickly do a whitening soap, that will lather very well. I want to teach you how to make a whitening soap that will lather very well. If you're with me, say let's begin. Let's begin. A lot of people, they wanna know how do we mix a whitening soap. So before that, let me show you the ingredient on the screen. I will show you the ingredient on the screen. Now, your base soaps will be those soaps. So let's begin. So here, the number one soap you'll be using is Larissa soap. Are you getting it? Your Larissa soap, which you all know is a whitening soap. Then your bleaching soap, which has kojic acid. Use that one. And also it's 5 times whitening in deep cleansing and anti-acne, and it revitalizes you and smoothing your skin. Are you getting it? Then again, we use our K Brothers, our K Brothers black spot soap. Are you getting it? That would have the tendency of taking all of your dark spot from your body, and it also lighten your body. Are you getting it? And also Bavaria soap. Are you getting it? Yes, Bavaria soap is very wonderful and super awesome. Are you getting it? All these are not just whitening soap. This Bavaria soap contain coconut oil and contain palm oil, which are very, very good antioxidant for your skin. Are you getting it? We have sodium hydroxide inside. We have glycerin, glutathione. All these are natural whitening agent inside the Bavaria soap. So all these soap are mentioned. These are the soap we'll be using. Are you getting it, to make this soap? Now we'll add skin freeing also. Are you getting it? You all know skin freeing keep your skin very smooth and whitening your skin also. Are you getting it? It give you that understanding unifying complexion. Also, we'll be using our whitening oil. Are you getting me? So when you add we add our whitening oil to give us a very good complexion, body white oil. So hence is a whitening soap. We should add a whitening body oil. So that is that. We can mind as we use any other oil you want, but with this oil, it will whiten your skin without any blemishes. And we add our Filipino set. Yes, we add our Filipino set also. So then we'll use our lactic acid. We can use our glycolic acid, whichever one you can use it, whichever one, but I prefer our lactic acid. Yes, to exfoliate your body. So that you know when you exfoliate your body, there's one sicky feeling you have, so you will always get that feeling here. So and again, we'll use our grapeseed oil. Just add a drop of it, for treatment and all that. So now let's mix all this we said now. Mix them properly. When you mix properly, whoops, you get it right. Yes, you get right. But before then, that's why I didn't tell you. When you see all this happening, like coming bam, 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 what you have to do, get your Irish lady body white, aka yellow CC, to join it to make everything more unifying. Yes, so add all that together and blend, chop all the soap together, then mix your Filipino set, all of it together, then blend properly. You'll see what you will get. You got this whitening soap as the way you want it. Alright, baby, we've got to the end of the class. Yes. AYA Cosmetic, that's what we're here for, to give you updates how to make a whitening soap. We've done that. So till I see you again next time, don't forget, we ship everywhere. Make sure you place your order from us, baby. We're in here to make the ladies beautiful. We're in here to make the ladies beautiful. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.